Hi, this is ZTE Blade A72s and I'll show you that the device comes with a protective case by default. So let's first open the box. Let's check. So let's check this paper box because here we get two separately small boxes. And unfortunately we got here only some paperwork and the SIM eject tool. So if you wanna use the protective case with your ZTE device, you should buy the case separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.